Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today's topic is comparing quantities, chapter 8, exercise 8.2. Last class I explained you exercise 8.1. In this class today I am going to explain you exercise 8.2. Question number 1. Convert the given fractional numbers to percent. Question number 1, 4 questions are here. One by one I am going to solve you. Question number 1, A. A number question is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 100. Why we multiply by 100? Because we have to convert into percent. Last class also I explained you, to convert into percent we multiply by 100 and put multiply sign. So we do same, 1 by 8 into 100 and close the bracket and then put percent sign. Now after this step we try to cancel it if possible. So we can see that 8 is divisible by 2 or 4 also and 100 also. So we can divide it. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 is left here. 2 0 20. So then 4 5 ja 20. So what is left here? 25 by 2%. So I told you when denominator is less than numerator we can convert into mixed fraction or decimal. So how can we convert into decimal? Just you see, 2 divide to denominator to 25, 2 to 25, 2 1 ja 2, cancel, 5, 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1, put here point and 0, 2 5 ja 10, 10 10 cancel. So what is left? Okay, what comes? Answer is 12.5%. Similarly, B number question, 5 by 4. Question number B. Then 5 by 4 first you write into 100. Bracket close and write percentage sign. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 is left here, 2 0 20, 4 5 ja 20. Then what is left? 5 into 25. You multiply it. 5 into 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125%. So you must write percentage sign because you have to find you have to convert into percent. So we put percent sign. It is compulsory. If you not write here, marks will deduct. Remember it. C. Question is 3 by 40 equal to 3 by 40 into 100. Close the bracket and write percentage sign. Cut it. 10 4 ja 40, 10 10 ja 100. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now numerator 3 into 5 equal to 15 and denominator is 2 left. Then after put percentage sign. After that equal to convert into decimal. Same. Divide it. 15. 2 7 ja 14. 5 minus 4 1. 1 1 cancel. Put point here and write 1 0. 2 5 ja 10. Cancel. So what is the answer? 7.5% is the answer. I told you when denominator is less than numerator then you have to convert into decimal or mixed fraction. If you write in mixed fraction, no problem, answer is correct. If you put point sign, no problem, both are correct. Okay. Come to next question, D. 2/7 equal to, write it in bracket, 2/7 into 100. What we see, put percentage sign. 7 is not divisible by any number. 7 we can't cancel to 100. Then what to do? We can multiply numerator to numerator. 2 into 100, 200 by 7%. So after that what we can do? Denominator is less than numerator. So I told you that you convert into percent, either mixed fraction. So we can do it again. 7 to 200 divided. 7 2 is a 14. 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 1 1 cancel, 0. 7 8 is a 56. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 5 cancel. Okay, this question I am going to write in mixed fraction. See how to write. This we write first, 28 4/7%. Okay, if you write in mixed fraction, no problem, that is also right. If you write in decimal, that is also right. Okay, now it is completed. Question number 1 is completed. After this we solve question number 2. Now question number 2. This is question number 2. See children, this is question number 2. Convert the given decimal fraction to percent. Question number 2 also we have to convert into percent. So same again we have to multiply by 100, one by one. I am going to solve it. 2. A number question is 0.65. So what we do? Again 0.65 into 100. Close the bracket and put percent sign. Why do we multiply by 100? Because we have to, this question also we have to convert into percent. So that is why we multiply by 100. Now the question is how to solve it. So easy way, remove point and write 1. After point, how many digits you count it? After point 1 2 point digits, so write 2 0. Now 100 1 100, 100 1 100, cancel it. What is left? 65%. 65% is the answer. 65% is the answer. Then B number question is 2.1. Then same also 2.1 into 100 and write in bracket and put percent sign after bracket. Then how can we solve it? Again you remove the point, write 1. After point 1 digit, so 1 0. 10 1 10, 10 10 100. What is left? 21 into 10. So 21 into 10, 200. 10% is the answer. Question C number question 2 का C. 0.02 same equal to 0.02 into 100. Close the bracket and put percent sign. Remove point, write 1. After point 1 2 digits, so 2 0. 100 1 100, 100 1 100. What is left? 2 only. So 2% is the answer. We must write percent. If you not write percent, it will be wrong. So remember it. C D number 12.35 equal to 12.35 into 100. Same this question also, remove point, write 1. After point 1 2 0, 2 digits, so 2 0 will write. Now you cancel 100 1 100, 100 1 100. So what is left? 1 2 3 5. So 1 2 3 5%. Okay, so question number 2 is also complete. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What you have to do? See, question number 3. Estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So आपको किसका परसेंट निकालना है? कलर पार्ट का. इस फिगर में कलर पार्ट 1 है and whole part is 4. So we have to write separate. How many part is color? Total part is, we have to write. See this way. So A, figure A, I am drawing this part first. This part is color. So how many part is color? 1. So color part we write on color part 1 and total part equal to 4. So then fraction equal to fraction equal to 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Because we have to find the fraction of the color part. So this part is color, this part is color, that is the color part is 1. So we write first 1 and by total part is 4. So this is the one answer. After that we have to write the 8, convert into percentage. So how can you convert into percentage? By multiply by 100. 1 by 4 into 100. Multiply it by 100 and convert into percentage. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. What is left here? 25%. So two answer is there. First answer is 1 by 4 and second answer is 25%. So question number 3, A number question is completed. So this way you have to do it. Is it clear, students? Now question number 3 का 2. Here 3 का 2 number question. Total part color is 1 2 3. Total part color is 3. Color part is 3 and total part is 7. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. The total part is 5 and color part is 3. We will write here. Question number 2. 3 का 2. Color part equal to 3 and total part equal to 5. Then fraction equal to 3 by 5. Why 3? First we write because we have to find the percent of color part. That is why we write 3. Then percentage. Then 3 by 5 into 100. And put percent sign. Why we multiply by 100? Because we have to convert into percent of color part. Now you cancel it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 0. What is left? 20 into 3, 20 into 3, 60. So 60% is the answer. Then 3, see here. Then 3 number question. 3 number question, color part. Here color part is 1 2 3. In this question color part is 3 and total part is 4 5 6 7 8. Total part is 8. We write here color part equal to 3 and total part see how again I am counting. Total part is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then total part is 8. So fraction equal to 3 by 8. Then percentage 3 by 8 into percent. Okay. So this way 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. Now then after that you multiply numerator to numerator. 25 3 ja 75 by 2 percent. Now denominator is less than numerator, so you convert it into mixed fraction, either decimal. How do you can convert 2 to divide to 2? 75. 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, 5. Again you write 2 7 ja 14, 5 minus 4 1. So what is left? 37. 1 by 2%. This is the answer. So question number 3 this way we have completed. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. What is this? Question number 4. See. Question number 4. Find 15% of 250. It is very easy. Question number 4. Find A number 15% of 250. See, students, 15 by 100 into 250. You see, 15, whenever you see percentage sign, remove percent sign, write 100 as a denominator. पिछले क्लास में भी हम समझाए थे कि परसेंटेज हटाने के बाद 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं, और ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई. पुट मल्टीप्लाई साइन. नाउ यू कैंसिल इट. हाउ डू यू कैंसिल इट? 0 0. 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25. What is left? 15 into 5. 15 into 5, 75 by 2. 75 by 2. We will not write here percent. Okay, because this question we have to only find. Okay, not convert into percent. So when denominator is less than numerator, so that time you can convert into mixed fraction. 75. 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, 5 2 7 ja 14, 5 minus 4 1. So 37 1 by 2. 37 1 by 2 answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay children, so B number question. 1% of 1 hour. Okay, 1% means 1 by 100. Of means multiply. 1 hour you convert into minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. I am writing here 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. That is why we convert it. 1 hour equal to 60 minute. Now you can cancel it. 0 0 minute I am writing here. 0 0. 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. So 3 by 5 minute. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. C number. 20% of 2500 rupees is given. So same process. 20% remove, write 100. Off means multiply. 2500. 0 0 cancel. It is very easy to cancel. First you see. Then what is left? 25 and 20. So number you multiply. 25 2 ja 50 and 1 0 is left. Right here 1 0. So this is the answer. 500. Okay, this is the answer. One question is left. In question number 4, D number. 75% of 1 kg. Okay, here 1 kg you convert into gram. 75% means 75 by 100 into 1 kg convert into 1000 gram. Here I am writing why I have changed 1 kg. As you know, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, now how do you cancel it? 2 0 you cancel. What is like 75 into 10? 750 gram. Answer. Okay, so this video, okay, only up to question number 4 is completed. After that, question number 5 to 10 I will explain in next class. Okay children, if I think up to this everything is clear. So children, like my video and comment it how you feel. Okay, and next video I will solve next question up to 5 to question number 10.